One of the most effective ways to resolve a DNS error on your PlayStation is by manually changing your DNS server settings. DNS, or the domain name system, acts as the internet's phone book, translating website names like Roblox.com into numerical IP addresses that your console can understand. First, for PlayStation 5 users, begin by navigating to your console's Settings menu. From the home screen, select the gear icon for Settings, then navigate to Network. Next, choose Set up Internet Connection to begin configuring your network. Select your active Wi-Fi network or wired LAN connection. Then, proceed to Advanced Settings to access the DNS configuration options. Here, you'll find various network parameters. In Advanced Settings, locate DNS Settings. Change this option from Automatic to Manual. This allows you to input specific DNS server addresses for improved connectivity. For PlayStation 4, the process is similar. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your preferred connection type, either Wi-Fi or LAN cable, then select Custom. For IP address settings, choose Automatic, and for DHCP hostname, select Do Not Specify. Finally, for DNS settings, choose Manual to enter your custom server addresses. Once you've selected Manual DNS, you can enter reliable, free DNS servers that often offer better performance and stability than your internet provider's default options. For Google DNS, set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Alternatively, for Cloudflare DNS, use 1.1.1.1 as the primary DNS and 1.0.0.1 for the secondary DNS. After configuring your DNS settings, it's crucial to test your internet connection on your PlayStation to ensure the changes have been applied successfully and resolved the error. If the DNS error persists despite changing servers, a wired Ethernet connection is highly recommended. This provides a more stable and reliable connection, eliminating potential Wi-Fi interference or signal degradation.